Hello, I'm Chris Cummings, CEO of Petra Technologies, and we provide rock-solid IT every day. Today, I'd like to talk about cleaning up unused programs. This is actually number 19 on that cybersecurity essentials list. Every program installed on a computer or server operating system, aka an endpoint, is another avenue of potential entrance for a hacker. Now, removing this unnecessary or unneeded programs helps limit the number of ways into a system. Some applications use certain communication ports that could also be left open for getting exploited. Too many of us installing programs on our computers without uninstalling these applications once they become not useful to us anymore. It's easy to do. In addition, they also take up space and frequently do not get updated, or the software company isn't even around anymore. That's the part that becomes a security risk. Programs that have been left behind can lead to bad actors later finding a vulnerability that can then lead to a liability to a company. In some cases, these applications leave communication port open that could be accessed remotely. If the app is gone, so then would be the open port. Secondly, just as important to include in this topic is outdated software that the software company has announced as end of life, also called EOL. For example, as of this video, there are still lots of companies that still have Microsoft Office 2010 installed. Microsoft has officially stopped supporting this version and no longer provides updates for it. As technology advances in this industry, a bad actor could find and exploit, deploy a threat, and possibly compromise a business network. In fact, Microsoft's own website also has a big disclaimer, quote, "All your Office 2010 apps will continue to function. However, you expose yourself to serious and potentially harmful security risks." They also go on with, "We will no longer provide technical support, bug fixes, or security fixes for Office 2010 vulnerabilities, which may be subsequently reported or discovered. This includes security updates, which can help protect your PC from harmful viruses, spyware, and other malicious software." There you have it. A simple but yet often overlooked security item from the Cybersecurity Essentials checklist that doesn't require an IT company to have to do. So, until next time, find us on Facebook, YouTube, and on the web at Petra Tech IT. If you find this information useful, please share it. If you have any questions or comments, drop them into the comments section and I'll address them in a future video. Thanks.